Hi guys, today I have here this waterless cat water fountain with motion sensor. I like this a lot. The size is amazing because it has a great capacity, as you can see. And this design with window view, it's more convenient to check how much water there is inside. It came with filter. Here on front we have the filter as I showed in the beginning. This material is stainless steel. It's really nice because it's more convenient to keep this cleaned. It's safe and more hygienic. We have time to water. If you press here, you can have water for 15 minutes every 10 minutes, and you have continuous water option and motion sensor, which is more convenient too. So they will have water when they come to drink water. Because this is cordless, I think it's a great choice. We need just to charge it and we can remove the cable and use without the cable. I like this, and it's ultra quiet, which is more convenient. We can place in many spaces in our house. So even outdoor you can have this. I have 3 cats and I think this will be very nice for them. I believe that water in motion, it's more convenient for our pets because they will drink fresh water and this is more healthy for them. So I highly recommend. This product came with a really nice quality.